Alright, we're going to bonnet clean a couple of rooms real quick. They've already been vacuumed. And he's getting ready to put the pre-spray down.
People said they like seeing the sprayer, so we're going to show the sprayer. This is a...
I just can't get too close to it.
Yeah, we don't want the mist to get up on the lens. This is a $40 pump sprayer from Home Depot. It's 3 gallons. We've been using it for about 6 months. It's the best sprayer we've ever had. We've used like some of the electric sprayers that no pump, and they don't last.
Not so far.
Now this thing here, if you pump it up, it'll go a long ways. And most people buy 2-gallon sprayers. So if you get this one, you have 3 gallons, you can actually have what would be considered 1 gallon of airspace available. And that's, you can pump this about 60 times, and it'll spray for 4 solid minutes. And that's a lot of spraying. You can spray a long ways in 4 minutes. In a house or an apartment you can.
You're not going to do the other room right now, are you?
No. So what we're going to do though is we're going to show a complete, how we do bonnet cleaning. From start to finish, we're going to show the spraying, we're going to show the bonnet cleaning, and we're just going to, this is how we do all our jobs, this is exactly what we do. And we'll sort of explain things as we go. Now this right here, this could be makeup. It's kind of a weird place for some oil to be, motor oil to be, because the rest of this don't have that.
The carpet's real worn out in that area too, so someone may just wipe their feet every day there. This was vacuumed before we got here. So we didn't bother making a vacuum video, but I'll show you real quick that there was still plenty of fine dirt and everything that was in. There's even a ring, someone's ring in there.
Get it out, I'm going to take it to the hot shop.
Yeah, it's not even, it's junk.
But anyway.
But, yeah.
Now we've got the bonnet over here in the sink. We've got the bonnet over here in the sink, and there's a lot of talk, should you use these bonnets dry or should you use them wet? And the truth is you should use them wet. That's how we do it. And a lot of people will tell you to use them dry because, and the truth is, they use them dry because they either have a bristle pad driver or they have a Velcro pad driver, and wet bonnets will roll under the pad driver. Or rubber pad drivers, no bonnet will slip.
Hey, how many times do you think we've used this bonnet?
75 or 80 times.
Yeah. They last a long time, but you gotta keep them cleaned out.
That one there has another 25, 30 uses in it at least.
Yeah, they get filled up with dirt on every job, and if you don't get them rinsed out completely, and you leave that dirt in there and it dries in there, as the bonnet dries, it's not good. Because it'll wear your bonnets out.
This pad driver on this machine, it will not slip a bonnet underneath it. It's impossible. This pad driver does not have a Velcro, and it doesn't have bristles. It has actual teeth. Points, and they grab any bonnet and they will not let it go. Now ours is like 2.5 years old, so our pad driver does not in any way rip or tear bonnets. It just grabs them, but you can pull the bonnets off real easily if you need to, but it won't slip them, but it don't rip them. A lot of people claim these pad drivers are so aggressive that it tears their bonnets, but when you use them for a while, the aggressive part of them kind of goes away.
The dark spot pretty much came right out, so it wasn't anything bad.
So it's not makeup.
Sometimes you can't tell just at a glance.
It's just oil. It's just grease.
We don't worry about it unless it doesn't come out, and then we just go, okay, now we need to figure out.
Then we get a steam iron and some ammonia, and we get it out that way.
Every once in a while you get something you just can't get out.
There's always a way to get most things out of. If you want to, bad enough.
When you're cleaning these rental properties and the carpets, they don't necessarily use ultra expensive carpet. Let's just say it that way. And so the carpets don't necessarily last a long time anyway. They're designed to be, you know, they're
designed for the rental market.
Yeah, they look good for a year or so, but if people are really abusive to the carpets, they don't even last a few months.
These are like polyester, rayon type carpets. They're not, you know, they're not wool carpets or anything like that. These carpets have been in place for 3 or 4 years, and they're pretty worn out. Yeah, we've cleaned these carpets several times. This particular job, we've been in this apartment several times. This isn't our first time in here. And it always turns out real nice.
Alright.
Boy, there's nothing, if you watch the Oreck Orbiter, it just goes right up the edge. It'll get out filtration lines, anything you got a problem with, it'll just take it right out. Because it goes right along the edge with no issues.